Ni hapon ang pangalan na ni Kuwiti ang nakabutang. Saan niya? Legarnet Taste of Elegance. So yung pagkaon sa Kuwaiti na ay fruit salad, kiwi, melon, grapes, pears, ay cassava cake, I think cassava cake. Aning pinaka main dish. Lasagna, carrots, kalabasa, lasagna man eh. Lasagna. Tapos salad. What is the name of the salad? Patos salad. And small water and zero sugar soft drinks 7-Up and a pair of teaspoon and fork and knife. Okay, what's up guys, thank you Mr. Kuwaiti. Meron na akong pagkain.